How to set automatic message on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to set automatic message on TikTok? Then don't worry, I'll help you out. So, first things first, open the TikTok app. But let me tell you, for this, you'll need a business account. So, if you want to switch to a business account, then you can see another tutorial that is linked in the description below. So, after setting your account to business account, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and on the top you will see three lines. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on business suite. There you'll find message center. Open it, and then you will see welcome message. So here it will provide an automated welcome message to start a conversation. So you can see the automated welcome message. However, you can tap on edit and change it however you want. So after changing it, you can tap on done and then tap on submit. Now, what you need to do is you have to turn on welcome message. So once it is toggled on, whoever messages you will get your automatic message even if you're not online. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.